All right, we are here at the Quinta Inn near Busch Gardens here in Tampa right now. This is the place that, in case you don't remember, this is the place that has the General that I thought was originally a Lexan, but it was actually a General with Innovation, and it had the Schindler MT next to it. Well, I recently found out, as you can see, look at this. The place is being completely redone and renovated. Let's go check on the elevators, see how they're doing, and if they're being modded or what exactly is going on. Let's take a look. Well, you can see the elevator entrance is shut on the upper floors. And surprisingly, no changes here. See, this one was the General, and that's the Schindler MT there. Let's call it this one. Yeah, this one used to be a General with GAL from either the 70s or 80s, but it got a slap-on mod with GAL. I mean, not GAL, Innovation, older Universal. See, no micro switches, it just slides right in. Let's get a look in the cab, going up. Let's go up to 3. That was a fast trip up. Whoa, big bump. We're on 3. There's your interlock. Down to 1. There we go. Here's a view of the cab. Just a basic and rather small cab. I think it might have been redone since my last visit here. Wonder if these are going to get modded. The inspection certificate's expired. Anyways, we'll go take another. And it nudges as soon as you push the button. On 3. Whoa. Yeah. See, that area is all shut off for renovations. Oh, look at this. I have no clue what's going on here, but there's some renovations going on. This is interesting right here. Alright. Let's go to 2 first. There's an ADA compliant phone. Crappy brails. Call stations burnout. Are they installing another elevator? I can't quite tell. But, oh no, because the machine room's right next door on 1. Anyways, since I pushed the call button on 2, it's gonna go up, so listen to it. And it already is nudging as soon as the doors open. You can hear the relay click. Listen. And now we will ride the Schindler MT elevator now. Right here. And we'll get a still shot of this. Alright, call it. Button's a bit vandalized. And the indicator is totally burnt out. You can see up the shaft. Alright. Oh, look at this. COP is sticking out a bit. 3. This one's also pretty fast for a 3-story hydro, too. Alright, let's go down to 1. Just same cab as the other one. Actually, I think the cabs are the same as last time. Hello. And as we all know, this is an older Schindler, so the door close button doesn't work. This one's hasn't expired, and by the way, that is a nice submersible pump, by the way. There's your interlock. Come on, don't go. There we go. Didn't leave me like I thought it would. Alright. And we'll go to 2 and 1. There's the call station. All right. And it really wants to go. And we'll watch the button go out. I mean, this is definitely a cheap ripoff of Impulse, but this is a fairly nice elevator. We'll send this one up, and we'll see if we can listen to this one while it goes up. Yeah, it doesn't look like you really can, but anyways, there it goes. And let's take a little look around. Yeah, I wonder if any more elevators will be installed. This is going to be interesting. And you can see all the lovely construction going on. Yeah, I don't know. Well, we'll have to find... Oh, that's the stairwell. Well, I guess there it goes. And that's going to be it.